Thanks for watching part 4 where we cut all the rises, and welcome to part 5 in which we'll explain how to cut all the threads. So let's begin. So in part 5 we'll start cutting threads starting from the top working down. And the first thread is what's called a landing thread. The landing thread is the very last thread upstairs, just to finish off the staircase. It's the thread which is on your flooring upstairs. We've made that thread slightly thinner. As you can see, that's the standard thread, where the standard thread is about 27 centimeters that way, where the landing thread is only 10 centimeters. And it's also made slightly thinner there, so we have rebaited the bottom of that thread, which normally is 20 millimeter. We have rebaited it down to 12 millimeter. That 12 millimeter is very average thickness for the carpet or laminate floors, so that way 12 millimeter would nicely join with all the thinner floors available on the market. Also, the front of the thread is kept the same, so visual effect is exactly the same. Okay, so marching the cuts to the left and right hand side of that thread. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. Let's have a look. Fantastic. Now the next thread is the normal standard straight thread, and on our sample staircase we've got a Newel post there where Martin did a template. Let's see how it works. Later on in this video, in one of the parts, I will explain how the template works. We've got separate videos about this template, and I will shortly explain how that works. So, important part about that template, Martin have made back of that piece actual front of the riser, so you can see this is touching there. So when we transfer that template, what Martin did, he marked that line. That's 2 centimeters away from the front. That is to accommodate these situation. So our riser actually goes there. So this is what he did with the template as well. His template will be set off 2 centimeters from the front, and as you can see, this is the front of the riser, which is there. So again, we've got few cuts made with the track saw. So we cut the right hand side, left hand side, and that piece was cut with the jigsaw. So we'll move that away. We should have a thread ready to be fitted. Let's have a look. Let's see, Martin. Okay, that's great. So as you can see, we've got thread. That's how it's been cut from the template. So very easy, and I think the fastest way of doing the cuts on the thread. For now we're only doing a dry fit, so there's no adhesive, no glue, no nails. We're just trying to see if everything fits. Once we're happy with all the cuts and everything we've got, then we will remove the threads, put the numbers on them so we don't get mixed up, and then we'll put adhesive. Thanks for watching part 5. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the links, you can find all the links for the components we've used below in the comments. So my name is Lucas, and I will see you in part 6, which I will explain how to make one of the kite threads, or rectangular or winded threads. So see you in part 6.